You need to know this wonderful trick. It could save your life or the life of someone close to you. As soon as you hear it, you need to know this trick immediately. Many people don't know or can't imagine what this strange and unusual trick is all about. Once you know it, you won't hesitate to tell your family about it. To begin, add 5 tablespoons of whole oregano to a container like this one. If you don't have whole oregano, you can use ground oregano. Then put it in a saucepan and add a liter of water. Put it on the stove and boil for 3 minutes. Once you know all the benefits of this homemade tip, you won't need much time to do it. It's very tasty, and the results will surprise you. Friends, while it's boiling here, I want to leave you with a very important message. Our videos are only received by people who interact with our page, and interacting means liking, commenting, and sharing. So please take a moment and tell us what country or city you're watching the video from so we can send you a very special welcome message for the next recipe. For this recipe, greetings go to Sila Hernandez from Canada and Carlos Ponce from Puerto Rico. Thank you so much for watching and sharing our videos. Once the time is up, we switch off the appliance and let it cool down a little. Then we transfer it to another container and, using a colander, strain it to separate the oregano leaves. Now add a cup of white vinegar and stir well. Friends, this trick is very easy to do and very effective, which is why I recommend you do it at home. Now, in a bowl, add 5 teaspoons of baking soda. Baking soda is excellent for treating fungal infections of the nails, feet, and hands. In a large bowl like the one I have here, place the feet and add the oregano liquid we reserved at the beginning. We'll now add the baking soda to the feet or nail area. Leave on for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then leave your feet in the open air for 10 minutes. Repeat this process twice a week. With these tips, you'll have eliminated foot odor and fungus once and for all. Let me know if you like these tips and if you're going to follow them. If you like these tips, I'd like you to help me reach more people. I'd also like you to rate these tips from 0 to 10 to see how you liked the results. I invite you to follow our website. We publish daily videos for your health and beauty. This recipe is very easy to make and very economical. Keep me posted on the results. That's all I have to say for today. I hope you find these tips very useful. Many thanks to the people who watch and share our videos. See you in the next one, and God bless.